Welcome to Cosmic Mysteries, where we delve into the secrets of the universe. Today, we'll immerse ourselves in the fascinating world of meteorites and comets, two cosmic phenomena that have puzzled humanity for centuries. Let's start with meteorites. What are they exactly? Well, they're fragments of rock or metal that break off from asteroids or larger celestial bodies and fall to Earth. Some meteorites are as old as our solar system itself, and studying them provides clues about the early days of cosmic formation. There are several types of meteorites classified by their composition. Some are mainly metallic, like the famous Hoba iron meteorite, while others are rocky, such as the Allende meteorite containing unique minerals. Throughout Earth's history, meteorites have impacted our surface, creating impressive craters and shaping our landscape. Some have even had a significant impact on the evolution of life on our planet. But we can't forget about the mysterious comets. These dirty snowballs travel through space, leaving behind long tails of gas and dust. Some have even been considered messengers of destiny. Here's a fun fact. Comets are primarily composed of ice, dust, and rock, and they are believed to originate from the Oort cloud, a remote region of the solar system. Both meteorites and comets have left an indelible mark on our culture. From mythology to art and science fiction, these cosmic wonders continue to inspire and awe humanity. In addition to their cultural impact, meteorites and comets have been invaluable sources of scientific knowledge. They have provided clues about the formation of the solar system, the composition of planets, and the possibility of life on other worlds. And so concludes our journey through the world of meteorites and comets. From their striking craters on Earth to their enigmatic orbits around the Sun, these cosmic phenomena continue to fascinate us and challenge us to explore the mysteries of the universe.